Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 9 innovative gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Phone Microscope 200x. Transform your smartphone into a high-definition microscope with the Apexel Phone Microscope lens, available in 100x, 150x, or 200x magnifications, or as a 3-in-1 package. Its slide rail and modular design allow for quick switching. With 12 LED lights, 13 lighting modes, and a CPL filter, it ensures clear, glare-free images of various objects like nature, insects, and jewelry. The easy-to-install, plug-and-play device, weighing only 46.5 g, features a rechargeable 100 mAh battery for up to 5.5 hours of use. Compatible with most smartphones, it's perfect for photography enthusiasts, children, collectors, and engineers. Number 2. Pomodoro Timer Tick-Time Cube. The Pomodoro timer is incredibly easy to use with 4 preset countdowns 1, 3, 5, 10 minutes, activated by flipping the timer. For longer durations 15, 25, 45, 60 minutes, press the fingerprint icon. Custom countdowns are set with 2 buttons. The timer supports countdown, count up, and Pomodoro modes, notifying you every 25 minutes of work followed by a 5-minute break. It's ideal for various scenarios like work, study, and cooking. Features include pause/resume, mute vibration, and adjustable sound alerts, making time management efficient and comfortable. Number 3. Telescopic Camping Lights. The rechargeable camping lights feature robust 14,000 mAh battery, doubling as a power bank for mobile devices. With a telescopic, portable, and cordless design, they extend from 285 millimeters to 1,100 millimeters, providing flexible lighting options. Each lamp offers 1,500 lumens, totaling 6,000 lumens for all 4, ensuring bright, stable illumination, supported by included stakes. Adjustable leaf-shaped lamps offer versatile angles with 4 modes and dimmable settings for customization. User-friendly controls and charging indicators enhance usability. Built-in neodymium magnets and a waterproof design, IPX7 lamps, IPX5 body, make them perfect for diverse outdoor conditions. Number 4. Stream Deck MK.2 Controller. The device features 15 customizable LCD keys for instant control over apps, tools, and platforms. With one-touch operation, you can trigger actions like launching social posts, adjusting audio, muting your mic, and controlling lights. Visual feedback ensures commands are executed correctly. It supports powerful plugins like Elgato 4KCU OBS, Streamlabs, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Spotify, and Philips Hue. Hotkey actions streamline workflows in film editing, music production, photography, and more, making it an essential tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Number 5. Baseus 100W Power Bank. The Baseus Blade Laptop Power Bank, praised by Forbes vetted for its stylish and functional design, is lightweight and ultra-thin, thanks to advanced silicon carbon battery technology. It delivers up to 100W power delivery through 2 PD USB-C ports, rapidly charging devices like the MacBook Pro 14-inch to 50% in just 30 minutes. The 20,000 mAh capacity offers multiple charges for smartphones and laptops, perfect for travel and business trips. An LED display keeps you informed about charging speed and remaining time. This power bank is a sleek, efficient solution for fast, portable charging. Number 6. 240W Magnetic USB-C Adapter. The MagTame 90-degree USB-C adapter features a 24-pin magnetic connection, reducing wear on notebook ports from frequent use. With high-speed 40 gigabits per second data transfer and an active repeater chip, it ensures efficient file transfers. It supports 240W PD fast charging, ideal for powering laptops and devices with a handy charging indicator light. Offering 4K video and audio display at 60 Hz, it delivers smooth visuals for work, gaming, and video watching. Compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, this adapter is a versatile and reliable solution for all your connectivity needs. Number 7. Solar Security Camera. The Eufy 4G LTE Cam S330 offers off-the-grid freedom with a 9,400 mAh battery and solar panel for continuous power. It ensures seamless connectivity with dual-mode 4G and Wi-Fi, automatically switching to mobile data if Wi-Fi is lost. The included iIt Club SIM card supports roaming across major U.S. networks, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, connecting to the strongest signal for reliable coverage. Featuring a 4K color camera, it provides clear details day and night with a 100-lumen spotlight for enhanced visibility. The 360 degrees pan and tilt with AI tracking enables comprehensive monitoring, detecting and following people and vehicles for ultimate security. Number 8. Hexagon Light 3D Panels. Transform your game room with the innovative H606A 3D light panels, an upgraded version of H6061 featuring dynamic flowing effects and stunning 3D visuals. Equipped with 129 LED beads, these panels deliver vibrant, immersive lighting, tripling the illumination of previous versions. The hexagonal panels offer open patching with 6 sides for limitless DIY configurations, allowing you to craft your perfect gaming atmosphere. Choose between meteor gray for softer lighting or lunar white for vivid colors, or combine both for a unique look. These panels support Govee DreamView, Razer Chroma, and Govee Desktop, enhancing your gaming experience with responsive lighting effects. Number 9. Indoor Golf Putting Mat. The Accelerator Pro Putting Mat offers a realistic putting experience with a true roll surface that mimics actual golf course conditions, helping you fine-tune your putting skills. Prominent alignment guides at 3, 5, and 7 feet enhance stroke accuracy by assisting with putter face alignment, backswing control, and follow-through. Its continuous automatic ball return system allows for uninterrupted practice, maintaining your flow state with every putt. The behind-the-hole ball collector ensures missed putts return for consistent practice. Measuring 9 feet by 16.25 inches, this rubber-backed mat stays in place on various floor types and is easily rolled up for storage or travel.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.